monks from different countries are visiting Pakistan, and in the open sky they are praying before the stupa. I think it is a message to change the mindset of the people of the international community that Pakistan is ready to welcome you, to assist you, to facilitate you to visit the Buddhist site.
My great thanks to the government of Pakistan to preserve this religious heritage, religious sites in Gandhara.
The people of Pakistan are so friendly and have a great hospitality. Please come to explore the cultural heritage.
Build a bridge, like all the world people through the bridge come here and see, discover our Pakistan, beautiful country, loving country.
We are very much hopeful that this will be very vibrant in the future and bring virtuous goodwill for all to live together and prosperity for all, peace for all. बहुत सब